Hey y'all, it's Alec with Sharing the Journey. I'm just going to do a quick video today. I've had people inquire about how we have room to have separate spaces in our camper. And one thing in specifically is, how do I have an office that allows me to have the room and mobility to store my YouTube equipment, my computer, and to have a workspace that is separate from Cindy. So I'm gonna give you a quick look around the living room. So we got the kitchen, TV, fireplace, sofa, and then this is where I used to have my office. And this is kind of a catch-all space here at the dinette where, you know, Cindy likes to do her crafting. She does diamond painting, she does knitting, she does sewing. And then when she wants to do her stuff, I have to move all my stuff out of the way. So we came up with a solution, and we turned the front of the camper into my space. So here is my office. This is the passenger seat right here where Cindy sits when we travel. And it already had a nice slide out tray that retracts all the way in to the actual dashboard of the camper. And then so I've got all my books right here. I've got my GoPro box. I've got the stickers we sell. I've got one of my extra holders. And I got a cat. Say hey, Puma. So I got a cat up here too. You know, what office is complete without a cat? And I like it because I can raise and lower the windows and see what's going out in the campground. I have a nice big window right here. I can open it up if I want to get a breeze. So it's very comfortable. And you can see I've got plenty of room to work at the computer. And then when I need to, I can grab my carrying case for my camera equipment and carry it. I've got my Bible and my devotions. I've got extra paper for notes, always taking notes when you're planning your next YouTube video. And then one of the newest things I've got here that is dual purpose. So I carry it in the bag to charge my camera and whatnot. And I also use it on my desk because it's magnetic, but it's a Python power supply. And it's magnetic. You can put your phone right up next to it and it starts charging. As you can see, it's at 73%. And so I can carry that when I'm out and about. It's got a kickstand on it. It's got USB-C. It's got numbers at the top that tell me how much charge it has. And it has, you know, the on-off button on the side to turn it on and off. And I can either lay it down or I can have it stand up so I can see my phone, so I can see messages that come in. And then it fits nicely into my go bag. And I can grab one of my USB-C cables, plug it into the side, and charge my cameras or anything on the go. So this is what my office looks like. And as you can see, all of my equipment is GoPro. Newest thing here is the Python. If you want to look at that, it's nice and handy. It powers everything I need it to power. I like it because it's slim and it has a kickstand on it. And it fits right into my office, and it also fits with my camera bag, so I can keep things charged up, so I can keep bringing y'all decent content. So anyway, that was one of the questions that I got in my email, is about my office. And there it is, tucked away right up front with everything I need. Hey, until next time, y'all have a safe trip down the road. Thanks.